What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Quick video. If you're driving around and you hear that click, 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 one of your tires, you think it's a piece of gravel. After a day or two, it still doesn't go away. Check out your tires, inspect them. What I did was I had somebody drive the car slow, and I just looked at the back and the front tires, and what do I find is a nail or a screw. All right, I'm going to show you how we're going to deal with that screw and fix it without bringing it to a mechanic and getting charged, I don't know, 50 bucks for doing nothing. You can do it yourself. If not, you bring it to the shop. But let me show you really quick how we do this. Yo, Sonny! You go to the depot or you order it online. We got here, it's the Husky tire repair kit. All right. There you go. You're going to need a needle nose or a pair of pliers to pull that screw out. You're going to need some spray. What I mean by spray is some soapy water to see if we even have a leak. And if we do, we're going to prepare to fix it. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up this little kit. All right. Comes with what we call the reamer. All right. Comes with a couple of patches here. It comes with these funny looking sticks, and they're like sticky sticks. All right, kid, so you're gonna take one out. You're gonna take the tool, this one here, and you're gonna put it through like a needle with thread. All right. So we're going to prepare that. Get it in this little hole here. Got to kind of force its way in until you can have enough to grab it. Just like this. And you're going to pull it so it's in the middle, just like this. All right, so you got that aside. We're going to put that aside, put that over here. We got the reamer here. That's what we're going to use when we pull the nail out. If there is a hole, we're going to take that reamer and we're going to go in and out of that hole really quick to give it just enough size to push this through. So we're going to get in here and get this screw. It is pretty deep, so I think we're gonna have a hole. You're gonna grab it and kind of pull it out. Wow, this thing's deep. It's unbelievable how long this thing is. So you're going to get the hole and you're going to ream this hole. You can see here, I got the tool in it. You're going to ream it around a little bit. You got to get some leverage. Now that you got it pushed all the way in, like that, you're going to grab and you're going to pull it out. And you'll have the two ends sticking out. Then we'll get some cutters and cut them flush. You're basically just going to pull it out. You can see they're just basically sticking out. Give it a spray. You want to look for any bubbles. We have no bubbles. Then you'll take a pair of cutters and you want to cut these ends off flush as possible. And when you're driving, the rest will wear out. Basically looks like this. Again, look for the T-handle tire repair kit. Wouldn't be a bad idea to keep one of these in your glove compartment. You could be traveling and you won't have any other choice but to use it to fix a flat to get you to the next station. All right, I hope this helped. We will definitely catch you on the next one. Take care. Yo, Sonny. Yo, Sonny.